Hey guys, this is your boy Ritik Ramaiya FX. As I said in my last video, I'll be bringing you guys on a difference about investing versus trading. My new video is out today, so I'll take you through this fast. The first difference between investing versus trading is the period. So basically, investing is for a long period of time, while trading is for a short period of time. Period of time, I mean a day, a week, or a month. While investing happens through a period of decades and centuries. So investors invest their money in some years. So basically, they don't expect to roll the money, keep rolling the money in and out. They wait for their money to grow. The second difference here is capital growth. Traders look at the price movement of stocks in the market. So basically, traders trade basically based on their fundamental analysis, while investors do not trade on analysis. They just invest at that particular point regardless of the price. So let me give you an example. Let's say the price of a Coca-Cola bottle is $10. Traders mentality works that they would buy at $10 and sell at $12, while an investor's mentality is that he would buy even at $12 and wait for the price to reach $20 or $25. Basically, the thing with trading is it's just you're rolling money in and out, while the difference in investing is that you're compounding the interest and dividend over the years by holding the quality stocks in the market. Another thing is risk. Risk comes in as an important factor a lot. However, traders have a completely larger risk than investors. Investors do not have a lot of risk as they can hold. Investors' mentality is buy and hold, while a trader's mentality is buy and sell, or sell and buy, while investors' mentality is sell and hold or buy and hold for a long period of time. And in trading, you need however, trading requires a lot of risk analysis as well, because you can blow your account a lot of times due to some minor change in the news or sort of something like that. While in the investing, you can never blow your account. Your value just goes low. It does not go to zero. Your value goes low, while in trading, your value can go to zero. The difference is art versus skill. So in investing, you don't need a lot of skills and knowledge and a lot of things. While in trading, you need a lot of skills, knowledge, experience that makes you a profitable and good trader. But in investing, you can invest based on your gut feelings or someone's advice. Whenever the price of some stock or a currency goes high, then you're profitable. Trading is very risky on the other hand, because you need a lot of art, a lot of skills, a lot of knowledge, because you never know what's going to happen. So you need to analyze the market very, 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 very carefully. I repeat, guys, you need to understand the market very, very carefully. When the price of some stock or a currency goes high, then you're profitable. Trading is very risky on the other hand, because you need a lot of art, a lot of skills, a lot of knowledge, because you never know what's going to happen. So you need to analyze the market very, 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 very carefully. I repeat, guys, you need to understand the market very, very carefully. Finally, to end with, the last difference is not basically a difference, but both of them eventually end the financial problem, kill poverty, make you independent in life, bring you a lot of experiences and a lot more. Now, going back to our story, you are the one to decide if trading seeds at a higher price, making a smaller profit in a short time is your goal, or holding on, growing more seeds to sell at a much higher price in the long run is what you aim for. Eventually, both investing as well as trading lead to the same outcome at the end, which is becoming richer than yesterday. Lastly, thank you for listening, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe my channel to keep it moving. I'll be posting another video out soon, so stay tuned, subscribe, enjoy, take care, stay safe.